We're gonna make ramen noodles out of paper. So open the microwave. Stick that in there. For 2 minutes on the clock. And we wait. You got now 2 minutes has gone. Look at that. Ramen noodles. Now today we're gonna make something else. We're gonna make this out of a toy car. Put that in there. So we gotta put 50 minutes on the clock. I'll press start. Go. 50 minutes are done. It's open. Look at that. Toy car. Not the one I wanted though. Now we're gonna make something else. We're gonna make this out of a worm. A big one, not a big one. That in there. This is gonna take long. 100 minutes. Now we wait.
Paused.
What are you looking at me?
Unpause.
Now that 100 minutes are done, that's all. Now, cameraman Jason, what do you want to make?
This dick.
What do you want to make?
This dick.
Fuck you. So, we're going to make
Drink some. That's gasoline.
wait.
Shut up. Gasoline. It's gonna burn down the dogs. It's gonna burn the dogs.
Okay, now. Hey! We're going to make a soda can. And we are going to make something out of a soda can. This is gonna take so long, I'm going to die. This is gonna take tonight. 700 minutes. Now we wait. Are you looking at me, man? You didn't put it on pause. Is it? 5 less?
It's unpaused.
Okay.
Paused.
Now, 700 minutes are done. So, let's see what we got. Did you order this?
No dick suck.
Are you sure you didn't order this?
No.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Yo, give me that spray. Give me that. I said, give me it, dumbass. Go get it.
No, you stay there, cameraman. Okay. I think I got shit on my shoe. Smell like crap. You must stand there. We're going to make a piece of metal. I'm going to make